Nisanka. Her website is coachingwithnisanka.com. And her business is, the headline is something like, are you co-parenting, are you parenting or co-parenting with with a narcissist?
Oh, I knew it. Oh, damn.
Yeah. So you know if you're in that situation or not.
Yeah.
Yeah. You know why the narcissist crossed the road? I thought it was a boundary. You can use these jokes after. Yeah, but so that's one. Another one is a guy, Jeff, his website is divorce-daddy.com. And he works specific, the headline was something like, divorce is war, survival is not guaranteed. I think he's changed it a bit. Which sounds, at the surface, like, Tad, that can't be what you're talking about. It's over the top, it's histrionic, until you've been through divorce. Until you've actually been there. And you went through a brutal divorce, and it's like, yeah, that's honest. But his thing is he helps these dads who've been destroyed by divorce rebuild their lives. That's not everybody. And here's how you know if it's a good niche. One of the ways you know is you know if it's you when I say it or not. Mm-hmm. It's not like, because I could say, are you going through a transition and dealing with stress in your life? But that's all humans that have ever lived.
Yeah.
So that's not really a niche. That's not a target market.